700 exercise number 32. Ready? Men have been pointing back to the happy days of old, attempting to paint for us a picture of those happy days and to show us how much better those days were than the times in which they were then living. First up, what is the reason for this looking back into the past to find happiness? Question mark. Perhaps it is that at almost any time there are many people who are leading happy lives but who do not talk or write about it, but there are also many others who were happy in their young days but who have not changed with the ever changing conditions of the life going on about them. First up, for these people the world used to be a better place than it is at present. First up, there are few of us who cannot look into the past and find happy days. First up, as children we have little or no control over the details of our lives, but we are generally happy because we are able more easily not to regard these details if they do not please us. First up, we can cut ourselves off from the outside world and build up a happy world of our own. First up, it might be easy for us to believe these people who find good only in the conditions of the past, were it not for the fact that these same people will at other times tell us how different things were when they were young, how hard they were forced to work, for what long hours they were kept at their work, how few players they had, and so on. First up, and for every book which we read telling us of the good old days, there will be another telling us of the bad old days, of the hard lives of the masses of the people. First up, most of us would not be willing to return to the conditions of life as it was lived 30, 40 or 50 years ago. First up, we believe that it is better to be living in the present with all the troubles of the present day. First up, we know that we have no right to expect to be happy all the time, and we know also that by keeping in touch with the life and the thought and the interests of our own times, we can help to make the present days happy ones, both for ourselves and for others full stop.